Is milk good?
Oh my God, I was going to pour it in there and I'm so special to myself.
What is Will talking about,
I thought
Loki?
you said you wanted that plate.
Huh? What is he talking about?
I don't know.
You're not the only one.
All
who
right.
says no.
I'm just trying to eat some food.
How's the dinner, Lukey? So good? Whoop. Big burp.
Another burp.
Okay. Here you go, senor.
I almost burp. Is that funny? Is that funny?
Mm-hmm.
Is that funny?
I do think burping is kind of funny. I have to admit. Do you?
It usually makes you feel a little bit better when you get that. It's air in your stomach when it comes out.
And it's like, bah, and you don't expect it. It's the silliest thing. More mozzarella, please.
Yes. That's what it's like. Almost. I just burp.
Hey, wait. How's the broccoli?
Waited.
How's the raspberries? How's your mozzarella and tomato salad?
Delicious.
Look at that boy eat.
So yummy.
Thumbs up.
How's your banana soup?
That's great, dude.
That's really good. Those raspberries are really
He ate
good,
the
Mom.
raspberries. I found them all.
Okay.
I think all of them, maybe not. If not, he'll get it later.